Welcome back to the Mammoth Club YouTube channel. Today we've got the latest AI news. Let's dive in. Meta splashes up to $72 billion on AI infrastructure arms race. Meta is going absolutely nuclear on AI spending, pouring up to $72 billion into data centers and servers in 2025 alone. The lowdown. Massive $72 billion capex for 2025, up $30 billion from last year, with similar increases planned for 2026. Building Titan clusters, including Manhattan-sized Hyperion facility scaling to 5 gigawatts. Already causing water shortages in Georgia communities from massive data center demands. Meta's spending signals a full bet on AI dominance. Watch their next moves. Zuckerberg. People without AI glasses will be cognitively disadvantaged. Zuckerberg says AI glasses are the future. Without them, people will be at a major cognitive disadvantage. The breakdown: Zuckerberg sees glasses as the ideal form factor for AI interaction and augmented reality. Ray-Ban Meta glasses revenue tripled year over year, proving early market demand. Reality Labs burning $4.5 billion per quarter, but positioning as bet on future of consumer AI. Early adopters of AI glasses could get huge productivity advantages. GitHub Copilot rockets past 20 million users. Milestone, the AI coding revolution is real. GitHub Copilot just smashed through 20 million all-time users, adding 5 million new developers in just 3 months while dominating 90% of Fortune 100 companies. The highlights: hit 20 million users with 5 million new signups in last quarter alone. Used by 90% of Fortune 100, with 75% growth in enterprise adoption. Facing fierce competition from Cursor, 500 million ARR, and new AI coding agents. AI dev tools are real revenue machines, big market forming. PlayerZero raises $15 million to debug AI-generated code before it breaks everything. Startup PlayerZero raises $15 million to catch bugs from AI-written code, like an immune system for your code base. The key points: $15 million Series A, led by Foundation Capital to prevent AI coding disasters. Founded by a 26-year-old Stanford researcher who saw the AI code quality crisis coming, already protecting enterprise customers like Zuora's critical billing systems. As AI writes more code, tools like this are vital to avoid disasters. UC Berkeley Dropouts score $28 million for AI marketing startup. Founders who once lived in a cramped apartment raised $28 million for conversion. AI native marketing platform near $10 million annual recurring revenue. The quick scoop: $28 million Series A led by Abstract after starting with cramped apartment lifestyle. Approaching 10 million ARR by helping businesses ditch legacy marketing tools. Built AI native platform while competitors retrofit old systems with ChatGPT integrations. Native AI tools are winning over bolted-on solutions. Watch for these in every industry. Kleiner Perkins-Backed Ambic pops 61% on IPO debut. AI chipmaker Ambiq's IPO skyrockets 61%, closing at $38.53. Investors love energy-efficient edge AI hardware. The lowdown: stock jumped 61% on debut day, reaching $656 million market cap. Specializes in ultra-low power chips for wearables and medical devices. Positioned to capitalize on edge AI growth with energy-efficient processors. Edge AI hardware could be the next breakout sector, beyond just NVIDIA. Sponsored by Mammoth Club, the unfair advantage for ambitious tech pros. One subscription equals 2,000 plus courses, certifications and industry insights. Your edge: master AI, cloud, cybersecurity. Get certified fast: CompTIA, AWS, Azure. Stay updated. Fresh monthly content, full access for just 50 cents a day. Tools for AI edge. Want to stay ahead in AI? Here are some top tools to sharpen your skills and stay on the cutting edge. Smart Eye Effectiva, AI for human emotion sensing. Hume AI, AI API for empathetic communication. Kairos, AI face and emotion recognition. Entropik, AI for emotion-based consumer insights. Cogito, AI guidance for call center agents. That's it for today's roundup. Stay ahead with Mammoth Club. Like, subscribe, and grab the AI Edge newsletter for more updates straight to your inbox. Catch you in the next one.